When it comes to conducting a boundary pickup survey, Scon Design India Private Ltd follows a systematic approach. First, their team of experienced surveyors thoroughly examines the property in question, taking into account any existing property markers or boundary lines. They then use advanced surveying equipment and techniques to accurately measure and map out the boundaries of the property. This includes using GPS technology, total stations, and other tools to ensure precise measurements. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of providing accurate survey results to their clients. They recognize that any errors or discrepancies in the boundary pickup survey can have significant legal and financial implications. Therefore, they take great care in their surveying process to ensure that all measurements are precise and reliable. Their team of skilled surveyors undergoes regular training and stays updated with the latest industry standards and practices. One of the key benefits of hiring Scon Design India Private Ltd for a boundary pickup survey is their attention to detail. They meticulously examine every aspect of the property to ensure that no boundaries are missed or overlooked. This level of thoroughness sets them apart from their competitors and ensures that their clients receive comprehensive and accurate survey results. Another advantage of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd for a boundary pickup survey is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires personalized attention. Therefore, they work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and tailor their surveying approach accordingly. Their team is always available to address any queries or concerns that their clients may have throughout the surveying process. In conclusion, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a trusted provider of boundary pickup survey services in Marathali, Bangalore. With their expertise and commitment to accuracy, they deliver reliable survey results to their clients for legal and construction purposes. Their attention to detail and customer-centric approach sets them apart in the industry. Whether it is for residential, commercial, or industrial projects, Scon Design India Private Ltd is the go-to choice for boundary pickup surveys in Bangalore.